most merciful and beneficial. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. First headlines. In an ironic state of fate, the assessed recovery company that was engaged by General Musharraf some 20 years ago to investigate the offshore property of Nawaz Sharif ended up asking the Sharif family for assistance in its disparate ended up asking the Sharif family for assistance in its desperate bid to secure the outstanding funds owed to the firm by the NAB. US President Donald Trump and his allies launched a desperate attempt early on Tuesday to undo President-elect Joe Biden's victory, cajoling, threatening, and pleading with state officials to keep the former in the White House for another 4-year term. While refusing to bury their loved one, thousands of protesters continued their sit-in on the second consecutive day on Monday in the Western Bypass area, along with the coffins against the government over the brutal killing of 11 coal miners in Mudge, demanding the arrest of the attackers. Iran confirmed on Tuesday it is now enriching uranium to 20% purity, well beyond the threshold set by its 2015 nuclear deal with major powers, sparking international concern. A day after the Bahawalpur rally of the opposition's Pakistan Democratic Movement, Prime Minister Imran Khan's team of spokesperson adopted an aggressive stance following the premiers learned that the movement was all but over. The fertilizer industry has protested over a recent decision of the Cabinet Committee on Energy to divert natural gas to pipeline system from Marigas and has sought its reconsideration to ensure required fertilizer production and protect the country's agriculture sector. Heavy snowfall continues across different parts of the United States of America, due to which various cities and states are facing accidents and mishaps. Take care and keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.